visit the countryside soon. Guess what, guys? Y'all remember them mangoes? I am hoping the mango tree be bearing. It's the time for it now. Oh my God, I'll be going to country soon then. Ouch! Going hiking, guys. So we got fishing and hiking to do. Yeah, man. And possibly a road trip somewhere in there. But still, both of them will be a road trip. Ay, ay, ay. I really love those mangoes. If any one of y'all are Jamaican, you're supposed to know about that mango. That's very, very special. And it's way more than just special. It's rare. You don't find it in the end anywhere. And if you do find it, oh yeah. Mm, oh yeah. Oh